So the first thing that I like to do when I'm creating a new project is to first do a little bit of planning. As I mentioned, we are going to be building a job board. So I want to just type out a little bit about what we're making. So it's going to be we're making a job board specifically for, let's just say, no code jobs. Okay, and what should this be able to do? So we want people to be able, and let's change people to be more specific, to be companies, to be able to pay us to post a job related to no code tools. We then want job searchers to be able to view all the jobs that are available, and then we want job searchers to be able to get more details if they see a job that they like. And we probably want to have job searchers be able to then click to go to the application for the job. Okay, so that's a pretty good little chunk of text. Now what we want to do is break this down into more individual chunks so that we can actually build those and know what we're building. So the first thing we want to do is looking at this first sentence, we want a company to be able to give us info about a job. So company can give info about a job, and then we also want them to pay us. So company can pay us to submit a job. Then we want job searchers to be able to view all available jobs. We also want a job searcher to be able to view more specific details. So let's put that. Let's go ahead and also add a job searcher can sign up for email notifications about new jobs. So that way we can keep in touch with people and bring them back to our site. And then as part of this on the back end, we're going to want an admin to be able to approve a job posting, because we don't want necessarily any job. If it's not related, we can reject that one and maybe refund the job poster. So great, that's a good little bit of user stories. So let's go ahead now, and we will outline the database tables that we think we'll need. So first off, in order to give email notifications, we need a way to collect lead information. So I'm going to put a lead table here, and on that one we'll probably need to just collect people's email addresses. We're also going to need a table for jobs, and that's going to have things like job title, job application link, job location maybe. We can have remote be one of those, job description. Maybe we can do categories so people could potentially filter jobs. Let's see, what else do we need here? Now this is where we could potentially do now a company table, and in that company table we can have company name, company logo. Could say like the company contact, or the person that's submitting the job posting. Then the contact email, And for jobs, we also talked about needing to have it approved. So we can have approved, which this will be Boolean. Okay, I think that's pretty basic. We're not going to go too in depth on the first part of this build. We want to just get something that's up and working, and then we can build from there.